Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to look at this bizarre case study. The pediatric resident who submitted this case claims it is of a 7-month-old baby boy that had a furuncle for 7 days. The resident, who we'll call Ilka, also claims that he suffers from no fever. Let's discuss. Then I'll tell you how the doctor is treating it. First, what is a furuncle? Furuncle is another word for a boil. Boils are bacterial infections of hair follicles that also involve the surrounding tissue. The infected hair follicle can be on any part of your body, not only the scalp. When the hair follicle becomes infected, it appears inflamed. The furuncle looks like a red, raised bump on your skin that is focused on a hair follicle. And if it ruptures, cloudy fluid or pus drains out. They most commonly appear on the face, neck, thighs, and buttocks. And if you want to know more about furuncles, look through our videos as I cover them in detail. But could this be a furuncle? I'm not a doctor and I don't claim to give medical advice, but a furuncle is a result of an infection. And if there is a serious infection, would it make sense for the patient to have a fever? The story doesn't seem to add up. The physical appearance reminds me of black salve, which is a caustic agent used in some areas of the world to treat skin problems. Here are a few examples. But I don't think this is a salve. The black area appears to be necrotic tissue, which is tissue that is dead. Some medical experts believe this could be from a spider bite or a chemical burn. The patient is from a rural area in what appears to be an area without proper medical care. The pediatric resident didn't have access to a lab, so the patient was treated with antibiotics and analgesic. The patient was sent home after dressing the area. Leave your comments below with your opinions on the topic. Read the comments of other medical professionals and click like and subscribe for new videos all the time.
I've always had trouble sleeping at night. For example, last night I just couldn't sleep. It was about midnight. I took 2 Rest More and within 30 minutes I was asleep. I didn't wake up at all through the night. I didn't wake up groggy. Check it out.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night.